Are you looking for a house in Costa Rica that nails the indoor-outdoor living? Casa Feliz might just be the one for you. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in this beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are in Hacienda Pinilla and I'm about to show you a brand new home. I cannot wait. Please enjoy this beautiful property tour with us today. One thing that's super unique about Casa Feliz is its entrance. It has this wall right at the beginning, and when you come in, you're immediately greeted with this incredible garden. You come in and there's a breezeway. It's always letting lots of natural air come through and enjoy the fresh breezes here in Costa Rica. Casa Feliz is 4,478 square feet. It's divided into two areas. You have the social area on one side and the sleeping quarters around the other side. What's super cool around this open area is check out all the wood details. The lighting is phenomenal. You have Venetian stucco all over the walls, and it's designed to live this indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Check out this kitchen. All of these lamps were custom made by a Costa Rican artist. You've got porcelanato countertops. This means you can cut on them, brand new appliances, and check out this fridge and freezer. Enough space for everybody. A custom-made Guanacaste live edge table, a designer table outside. Are you dining in or are you dining out? Check out this tree in your backyard. It provides so much shade. If I lived here, I would set up hammocks to read. You can have a playground back here, or you can even build a guest house. Now we're gonna check out the sleeping quarters. Come with me. Passing beautiful gardens, you arrive at the master suite. Here you have a king bed. You've got a walk-in closet, patio doors that take you out to this beautiful backyard, and just wait till you see the bathroom. Ta-da! Imagine brushing your teeth with these beautiful jungle sceneries. You also have an indoor and outdoor shower. There are two guest bedrooms just like this with double queen beds. This one comes furnished, the other one you can do whatever your heart desires. This is a perfect place for long-term rentals, short-term rentals, or even to live here full-time. Here is the fourth bedroom. There's enough space for a king bed here. It's got this beautiful furniture. I love this closet. And it also has its ensuite bathroom and a patio door. The yard here is half an acre of paradise. And this pool is the center of it all. Cool off on these hot days in Costa Rica and check out the infinity edges. This is so beautiful and stunning. Hacienda Pinilla comprises of 5 beautiful beaches, and this one is called Playa Avellanes. It's minutes away from Casa Los Feliz. Here it's wonderful for beach walks. It's famous for its surfing, wonderful for swimming, and cooling off of these incredible Costa Rica days. If you would love this lifestyle and this dream to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. And don't forget, subscribe below to see more great videos like this. Have a great day. Pura vida.